will divide the reward with Snuffles, who will help us track down. I'll show you. Hey, Snuffles! Snuffles? I didn't know you were a married man type dog. Why, sure. Watch. Here's a dog biscuit, Snuffles. Then jump through a window. Catch! Here, Snuffles. Here's the reward money. You deserve it all. Well then, here, live it up.
You know something? When you think of it, maybe I'll be safer in the safe. Adios.
All right.
Just remember, crimes don't pay.
Skunks? Oh, so long, Quick Straw, I think. Well, we haven't seen Snuffles for a long time. And hurry, please. It's a matter of life and breath. Mucho thanks. Here I come, Quick Straw. I like that Quick Straw. He's got a soft heart and a head to match.